Guys, we are here at this beautiful villa. This is Villa 59 here in the lovely community of Quivira. Can you tell me a little bit, what is your name, where you're from?
My name is Francesca. I'm from Cabo San Lucas.
Choyera. And you?
My name is Karina. I'm from Los Cabos. I really enjoy the beach and handsome gringos.
Let's go. Guys, let's go check out this villa. It is very cool. This is actually the newest villa in all of Copala, and it has a very cool special surprise at the end of the video. But let's check it out. Come on, let's go.
Allá le editamos, nosotros le quitamos. Sí, tenemos.
Mi hermano fue a representar a México a Tailandia.
Ah, de verdad.
Muy guapo.
Como yo, ¿no? Poquito menos, ¿no?
Más.
She's fired. Max, cut her out of here. Cut her out of here. I've been here 6 years. This is the only time I've ever seen this actual floor plan. This has one primary on the ground level and then has 2 other bedrooms up top with a bonus room. The bonus room could easily be turned into a number 4. To make this a number 4 would cost you less than $1,000. On top of that, we've got the giant pool in the back. We got the jacuzzi on the roof.
We have also the fireplace, which is really amazing.
Elderly people, a lot of times they don't want to go up the stairs. So you have a primary bedroom here and another primary on the second level as well. So we paid these models $10,000 US, and they have just been on the cell phone the entire time. And it's very difficult to find good help here. She's messaging her boyfriend saying, oh, I'm out shopping at Walmart right now. Okay guys, let's go check out the beautiful pool here. Very nice artwork as well, and a beautiful palapa here. The most important question that I have, did you guys bring your bikinis?
Of course.
Ahí está.
Ay, ay, no mames, ay, su culo en mi verga. Mis huevos, ay, no mames. I know some people think it's strange, but we're in love, and it's real love. It's not just because I'm rich, it's because they really love me.
No, it's because you are so handsome.
Ah, see?
Yeah.
I knew it. I knew I'd find real love.
Yeah.
Beautiful primary. Now, as you can see, the ladies were doing their makeup, looking gorgeous.
Está muy pesado.
Come on.
Oye, pero yo traigo el micro.
Vámonos.
Okay, guys, this is now coming into the second level. Look how adorable this is. Have a seat here, and you can have a seat as well, dear. And you can have a seat as well.
Sí, vámonos.
And I'm gonna stand, because I'm the king of the castle. King of the castle, king of the castle.
Y yo llegué así, entonces llego y hay unas muchachas con un cuerpazo súper,
Super cake.
mucha boobie, mucha nalga, y yo no estoy así.
No.
Yo no soy así, o sea, yo estoy más, no sé, estas muchachas estaban muy
¿Qué muy?
operadas,
Tuneadas.
súper tuneadas. Sí. Estaban allá en el hotel donde yo fui,
Sí, pero no.
en un campo de golf. Bueno, me lo gané, o sea, ahí me lo dieron, güey. Como 9,000 pesos en un día.
¿450?
Ajá.
Bueno.
Sí,
Cuando yo baile con las mujeres,
solamente por decirle,
yo
toma,
como...
shot.
Oh, no baile.
O sea, me decían, tómate el shot conmigo, y yo, ay.
¿Cuánto?
Sí. Pero las otras chicas estaban en los hoyos, literal, así con puro bikini y a un lado de los...
Era de día.
Era de día.
You could sheetrock a wall here. I could do this myself in 2 hours. I believe they're called accordion doors that just kind of push, you slide them shut. Boom, now you have a bedroom/office. Whatever you wanted. If you want a 4-bed, 4 beds are very hard to find right now in Cabo San Lucas. There is a ton of 2 bedrooms, some 3 bedrooms, and very few 4 bedrooms. And 4 bedrooms with bedrooms on the ground level, even less. Very desirable.
Yeah, with the privacy of the second floor, if someone doesn't want to go into the stairs, the master bedroom downstairs is a great idea. As an office, it's excellent here. Actually, we have the bar, we have another half bath.
There's actually a ton of different options. So far, how are we liking the property?
The house has a personality.
Bueno, esta casa es muy acogedora, tiene espacios muy amplios, tiene un concepto muy mexicano, pero si no te gusta lo puedes personalizar de acuerdo a tu estilo.
So you were wondering, what is that special little surprise that we have for you? When we said turnkey, we meant turnkey. That's right, this villa includes a BMW X5 with a brand new motor included with the villa. Guys, if you'd like to view this, just send me a message on WhatsApp or hit the QR code right here. BKCabo YouTube, BKCabo Instagram, and I will see you on the next video.